this is a review of the LED gesture that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys all the functions of it and whether or not this product is worth it and pretty much how you exactly use this product. So one of the first few things I want to talk about this product in particular is that the quality of this is really high quality. You know, it feels very nice. It's pretty sturdy. I do want to also mention that it is extremely bright and extremely bright, and like the brightness is all the way where you can see, and it's very orange. It looks very beautiful when you turn it on. Not just that, it comes with the adhesive, the tapes right here. So if you're gonna go mount it, you can mount it on your window, you can mount it on your house window, you can mount it on your car window, you can mount it to your car. It's very easy to install. It comes with the adhesives. You peel this backing off and put the other one on, stick that there and stick that there, and pretty much it sticks onto your window and it won't fall off or anything like that. And also it comes with the RF wireless remotes, and it has 4 different functions that I'm going to be showing you guys. And right over here on the back side of it, it comes with the supplied cells as well too. Because I don't know exactly the name of these cells, but it comes with that as well too. So it comes with everything that you need, except the one and only thing on the back side of this. It requires 3 AA cells, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 3 AA cells, and it does not come with that. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But other than that, it comes with it for the RF wireless remote. But yeah, so I'm gonna start to show you guys the demos and demonstrations on this product. So when you turn it on, you start with the high five gesture, and you can see here the videos, it doesn't really do the justice, but it is extremely bright. And the brightness is pretty much bright, like it looks like like you're looking at the sun, is that bright. And then right over here we give so this is like a gesture to pretty much like you stop, like you're like a stop sign, so you stop. This gesture right over here is the gesture, like to give someone like thank you, or something like that, or high five. So it means like a good positive gesture, so it gives you that. But pretty much like a thank you, or pretty much like high five, so it's like that. And then this setting right over here, you turn it off like that. So you could pretty much, so when you turn it on, you pretty much turn it on from the high five mode, and then you press this button right over here to turn it off. But yeah, other than that, this product I think is extremely high quality. It looks really nice. It comes with adhesive. It comes with the batteries for the RF wireless remote. It doesn't, does not come batteries for the hand itself. So the 3 AA batteries, that's something you should keep in mind. But other than that, I absolutely love this product. If you want something to pretty much to stand out from your, pretty much for your your car, or for your window, for your home, or you're trying to do something like for Halloween, something like that coming up for the holidays, then I would definitely recommend this product, because it looks really nice. It's spectacular, high quality, and it has a fun gestures to give, and it really looks nice. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this LED gesture lights.